Okay. What is up, guys? We are back. And while you guys have been eating hot cross buns and chowing your pickle fish, I have been on the charts, backtesting and changing some things, tweaking the strat a little bit. But we didn't take any trades today. However, I'm going to go through what was a good opportunity for a trade. So let's get into everything. So as you can see, Monday, let me just go through some of the layout changes. I have Asian session marked out in this square over here. We've got London session in this green square, and then I've marked out from 4 o'clock to 5:30 this session here that I'll be participating in, looking for trades, because I'm looking for this 4-hour candle for when I'm looking for trading opportunities. I want to be participating in that time. And so this indicator has these laid out, as well as the daily open and weekly open and the 4 o'clock opening price. So let's get into the price action. Monday laid out these nice lower highs, leaving behind liquidity for Tuesday today to take out, and we took out every one of those highs. It was clear that the draw on liquidity is somewhere between weekly open and the previous day high. So as you can see, we made this beautiful bullish structure, breaking structure every time and creating these order blocks. And as you can see, the height of the London session was also the height of this confirmation of a market structure shift. As market opened, we displaced with this nice fair value gap. You can see on multiple time frames, the hourly, the 15-minute, we are clearly bullish. And so what the plan is here with this 4 o'clock candle, we want to see price retrace into some sort of liquidity, rejecting and coming back up into that opening price right there, confirming that we're going to be continuing. Where's my pronunciation? And so that's exactly what happened. We got a nice 15-minute fair value gap right before the 4 o'clock candle started, and you can see price tapped into that 15-minute fair value gap, and that's exactly what we want to see. These wicks, if we go down into the 5-minute, we want to see price rejecting that 4 o'clock opening price. We want to see price coming back inside and then distributing. And of course, the target would then be the previous day high. As you can see, we got that change in state of delivery right after tapping into the 15-minute right there. If I can make that look better, you can see we've got that change in state of delivery. Price comes in, still respecting structure, even though we have this long wick over here, but we then continue higher, reaching that previous day high. So yeah, that's essentially how I'm going about this. I wish I would have taken that trade, but to be honest, it's really not a great of a risk for me to take this type of trade. I'd rather like to see something like something like price taking liquidity down here and then pushing to its intended target, something like this. We're looking for big moves here. We're not looking for these small type of continuations. We want to see large displacement and a lot of volume. And so I just think today just wasn't that type of day to look for my usual type of setup. But I'm doing this trade recap just to show you that it wasn't untradeable. There's still opportunities. So yeah, it was just not the opportunity for me. But definitely a really nice day in terms of price action. Was pretty much following structure to the T. And yeah, looking forward for tomorrow's price action. My thoughts, I'm not clear on where we might be headed to, but since we're taking out previous day high on the Monday and coming back up into the weekly open, I can see price wanting to push bullish for the rest of this week, if not at a specific key level before like reversing once again and pushing maybe lower. But we'll see. It's still early in the week. A lot can still happen between now and tomorrow. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'll be live streaming same time, same place. And yeah, enjoy the rest of the day. Cheers.